Hi, in this video, I'll walk you through an idea of developing a battery management system software that happens through the overall learning process. And finally, we do implement the algorithms that we developed as a part of a single cell BMS development kit and also a multi-cell development kit. But what goes behind that is to implement a BMS in the real-time vehicle and then conduct test cases on an example like a Dyno here. That means you can study the algorithm that you have developed, maybe in terms of the state of charge, state of health estimation, also any of the protection features that we would have built as a part of the algorithm would be really working in a real time inside the battery pack of the scooter. By that way, we can conduct experiments and we can do study that how does our algorithm really behave in the real time conditions. So henceforth for that, we have set up a complete hardware setup here. Students will be able to really take this as a practical experience to really implement the algorithms into the real-time hardware, such as the BMS, and also let the vehicle run on the Dyno on the real-time road simulations and study the way how our algorithm would interact and give you results in the integration perspective of the real-time vehicle as well. So just to make it run the whole test case. So as we see here that we have the BMS, we will take a deeper look into that a little later, and where we can have the vehicle running on the RLS Dyno, and then we will have the complete test setup to run it. We will be able to conduct the real-time test cases, and the students can get a real-time understanding of different type of algorithms. If they have developed a different algorithm on a state of charge, that how does it really behave and how does it really get influenced by the amount of current or voltage that is being fluctuated because of the real-time test cases as well. So now with such kind of a learning experience, it gives you a real-world understanding of the algorithms that you have really developed. And that kind of an experience to really implement an algorithm on the hardware and put that into the real battery pack that is in the scooter and have it running around the places gives you a lot of learning experience and confidence and gives you a real-time learning opportunity, like as such in OEMs, how you could take the vehicle for the on-road conditions and gather data, identify if there is any fault conditions and failure conditions. How do you come back and look for your calibration activities or improvement in setting up a control parameters in place? That's all what it gives you a real-time experience when you take up the part in the master course algorithm, the BMS algorithm development program, and that enables you to finally come to a stage like a professional to implement an algorithm on the real-time hardware and gain a total experience and a confidence like an experienced person when you go out of this course for you. Thank you.